Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I having washing machine for the repair. It is brand wise Nobel Brand. While within when I'm going to start the machine, after giving power within few minutes, within 2-3 minutes only, it's occurring error message. It's showing through the display. It's showing error message E33, and we have to troubleshoot the problem exactly. This one is related with the pressure sensor, but we have to check properly what is the problem exactly, and we will check the machine properly because this customer also very hurry to we have to give quickly as soon as possible. After repairing, we have to hand over to the customer. Just we will check the what is the problem. After that we can find out the problem. We will go to the next step for the check. Now we have to remove the top cover. The back side two screws are here. This machine is actually heavy duty. It is good for the laundry shop. This one we collected from also from the laundry shop, and after removing two screws we have to take it out this way, and it's easy. Now we have to check the pressure sensor first. While you are going to check the pressure sensor, you have to check the pressure sensor. Also here remove the connection and just check if it is any oxide or something, but here no any oxide. Also you have to check the tube. This one any damage also it will come pressure sensor error. Also tub air chamber also you have to check properly. I will show you the air chamber. This one different name. This some technicians are telling this is air chamber. Also some technicians are telling air guide, but this is normally this is any name air chamber. But while this one getting blocked also, it's happening the same. It's occurring the same error message. Because of that, you have to check. Please check the air chamber. It is blocked or not from the tub. Also this pipe, this tube, any damage also it's not giving indicator to the pressure sensor. Because of that, this pipe also you have to check properly. This is not the other this is from the another machine, but I have to show you, that's why I am showing this one. This is the related complaints against the pressure sensor. Because of that, you have to check properly this chamber, pipe and pressure sensor. Also pressure sensor connector, you have to check properly the connector. This is power connector having any damage or bitten by the rat. Sometime we can find bitten by the rat also. Anyway, this one look like okay, but we will check. We will replace another one and we will check. We will disconnect the pressure sensor pipe from the sensor. Also remove the pipe from the sensor, and again this one very easy to remove and turn any clockwise or anti-clockwise. After that it will come. Now we will change this one and we will check with another one. If it is working, it is a problem 100% with the pressure sensor. This is the pressure sensor. Now I'm going to replace the pressure sensor. This is the original one with the machine. This is the new one, this one, but color only difference, but the everything's are same company. The everything's are perfect same, and we will fix this one for the machine, and after that we will check it will be okay. I'm thinking if it is okay, the 100% problem with the pressure sensor. If it is not okay, we have to check other steps, main control board and all. Let me check with this one, and we will fix this one first. And now already fixed. Now we will give the power connection to the machine and we will start. Now I given already power connection. Yeah, it is already given power connection. Now I already given water connection also here, and we will start the machine. I'm going to the quick wash, speed wash. I select already speed wash. It's indicator showing 49 minutes, and we will start the machine. The door already locked. Before it's coming, within few minutes coming error message E33. Now again door lock. Now next step, it will lock again and water should come inside the, yeah, it's already locked again. Now should come water inside the machine. Now water take into the machine. You can hear the noise, but it is, you can't find. Now it's already water taking. මේක හරියන්නේ මේ වීඩියෝ කරන්න බෑ ඔයගොල්ලත් එක්ක. ඒක ඔයගොල්ලෝ යන්න ඕනේ නැත්තම් මේක නතර කරන්න ඕනේ. Now already water already taken to the machine. Now machine will start. See, you cannot see, but you can hear the noise. Machine start already. Now before it's not like that. It within 1 minute, only within few minutes showing error message. Now it's continuously machine start. Water taken to the machine. You can I can show you. It is, the machine is running well. The problem with the pressure sensor only. This is the problem with the machine. Pressure sensor already gone. It is look like it is new, but it's not accepting. I'm not going to repair this one because it's easy job, but I don't have time. This is the part number and all. This is manufacturing date also 2021 May 19. But anyway, machine is running well. We can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video. I think you learned something about the error message Nobel Brand washing machine E33. And thanks for watching again. If you are not subscribed my channel still, I'm kindly requesting kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for again.